everyone, we just arrived in Grasse, the perfume capital of the world. It was about a 35-minute train ride from our Airbnb or 30 minutes from Cannes. Hope you enjoyed this video. We got a bunch of stairs ahead of us going up the hill into the center of Grasse. Definitely would have been easier to take the bus, but that's not our style.
More hills to climb.
Well, we made it. Made it up all the stairs. And it looks like a beautiful view. It takes about 15 minutes to walk up to the town. Train tickets to Cannes from Grasse were €640 per person one way. This is the Cathedral Notre-Dame-du-Puy. We initially walked past it on the way to the viewpoint, but I'm really glad we decided to go in. One of the original paintings in the cathedral is the Foot Washing by famous Grasse-born artist Jean-Honoré Fragonard, commissioned in 1754, which the perfume house we tour later in the video is named after. Original mention of this cathedral was 1154, I think it said, and we've been in a lot of cathedrals, and this one was pretty incredible. And there was a very, very nice lady that was chit-chatting with us and telling us about her family that works here. It was very nice. Grasse's streets have pink umbrellas as part of the annual Expo Rose Festival, a celebration of the city's famous roses and perfume industry. This place was very good and comforting for two Southern Californians. We paid €17 total for 2 cheese empanadas, 1 burrito, and 1 small sparkling water. perfumeries in Grasse are Fragonard, Molinard, and Gallimard. The Fragonard Perfumery tour is based in one of the oldest perfume manufacturing factories in Grasse, built around 1800.
Waiting for the factory tour.
Fragonard Factory tour. Eugene Fuchs founded Fragonard in 1926. Today it's managed by his 3 great-granddaughters.
On a glass plate like this one, we'll put a thin layer of animal fat, pork and beef mixed together. We'll then take a flour, put it directly on the fat, one by one. The morning after, we'll take the old flour off and put a fresh flour on. We'll repeat the step for 1 month. After 1 month, the fat will be saturated with sensitive molecules. We can then remove all the flours out, take the fat in the machine with alcohol, and after the paint, we'll then obtain a concrete, so it's the solid version of the perfume. And then after, the absolute, the concentrate of the perfume. So with this kind of extraction, we could extract jasmine flower, tuberose, nearly everything. Have you seen the parfum, the film, the movie? Mm-hmm. We can extract even a woman with this.
In addition to the factory tour, there is a museum and you can take a workshop where you can create your own signature fragrance. Well, that's it for Grasse. Honestly, we had kind of low expectations, but we had a great time. It was definitely worth the visit, and we learned a bit about perfume. What do you think, Mish?
It smelled very nice, the whole town. So it was worth it just for that. And we learned a lot. And I would like to come back, really, and I would like to visit the other one. They said that there's another factory tour in Ez, since we're gonna go back to Ez like in a couple of weeks, so we can go that one too.
If you enjoyed this video, drop a like to support us, subscribe to see more videos like this. See you in the next one.